Every small business on earth is drowning in boring, repetitive tasks, answering the same emails, copying data between apps, sending the same follow-ups. But what if you could make all of that happen automatically with AI and charge businesses a monthly fee to set it up? That is called an AI automation agency, and it is one of the fastest growing income streams of 2026. Here is why this works so well. Business owners do not want software. They want their problem to simply disappear, and they will happily pay someone to make the boring work vanish so they can focus on actually running their business. You are selling them back their own time, and time is the one thing they cannot buy more of. And here's the best part. You do not need to be a programmer. Tools like Make and N8 let you build powerful automations visually. You drag boxes onto a canvas, connect them with lines, and plug in AI. It is like digital Lego. If you can describe a process step by step, then you can automate that process. So what do you actually automate? Start with the painful, obvious things. When a form comes in, have AI summarize it and send an email. When a review is posted, have AI draft a reply. Turn voice notes into tasks. Sort incoming messages. Generate weekly reports. Anything repetitive and rule-based is fair game. Now, the move that makes you rich instead of just busy, pick one single industry: real estate agents, dental clinics, e-commerce stores, law firms. Then learn that one industry's exact workflows deeply. Because once you have solved the problem for one dental clinic, you can sell that identical solution to 1,000 more. Getting your first client is simpler than you think. Find a local business that you already know and build one small automation for them, completely free. Then show them the result: 3 hours a week saved, or 20 leads that no longer slip through the cracks. When they see that number, the sale makes itself. Here is how you charge, and this is the real key to income. Charge a one-time setup fee for building the automation, then charge a monthly retainer to keep it running, monitored, and updated. That recurring monthly revenue is exactly what turns a small side gig into a real and predictable business. Let us do the simple math. Imagine 10 clients, each paying $500 a month just to keep their automations running smoothly. That is $5,000 every single month, and largely passive, for systems that you built only once. You do not need hundreds of customers. You need a handful of the right ones. Now, layer AI on top, and your value multiplies instantly. A basic automation just moves data around, but an automation that reads an email, understands it, decides what to do, and writes a human-sounding reply that feels like pure magic to a business owner. AI is what lets you charge premium prices instead of commodity prices. But here is what you are truly selling: reliability. Your automations must simply work every single day without the client ever thinking about them. So test everything. Add error alerts. Check in proactively. A client who forgets your automation even exists because it never breaks is a client who will pay you forever. As you grow, stop building from scratch every single time. Turn your best automations into templates that you can deploy in about an hour instead of a week. Same solution, same industry, brand new client. This is how one person, armed with AI and a few templates, can serve dozens of businesses at the same time. So where do you find these clients? Local business groups, LinkedIn, and cold emails that lead with a specific painful problem you can solve. Do not pitch automation, pitch the outcome. I will save your front desk 10 hours a week. Owners do not buy technology. They buy results, and they buy relief. And you can start learning all of this today for free. Both Make and N8 have generous free tiers and huge libraries of tutorials. So build a few automations for yourself first. Automate your own inbox or your own reports. Once you actually feel that power, you will start to see automatable problems absolutely everywhere. And as always, the winners are simply consistent. Keep learning new integrations. Keep sharpening your chosen niche, and keep every client's systems running flawlessly. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a real high-value skill that businesses will happily pay you for, month after month, for years. So that is the system. Pick one industry, automate its most painful tasks with AI, and charge a setup fee plus a monthly retainer. In the next episode, we build AI chatbots that businesses buy to handle their customers around the clock. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.